Repeat, repeat the sunny shore. No more let's sing some sorrow's woe. The thorns efface the ground and comes to make His blessing flow. For us, curse is found. For us, the curse is found. For us, the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness and wonders of His love and wonders of His love and wonders of His love. Joyeux Noël à tous et je vous souhaite à l'avance aussi de passer une très belle année 2021.